My name is Assalamu alaikum sir. My name is Tausif Rahman and my roll number is 20 PLV83 and my enrollment number is GM3309 and uh, and this is video is for you which is given by you uh, for the thematics cartography which is subject and so start the topic. Uh, uh, in the syllabus there are the four unit. The first unit is importance of thematics map, and the second is diametric data representation, and the third one is representation of data, and the fourth one is prismatic compass survey open and close. So sir, first of all I would like to come on the first topic, which is thematics cartography. So in the mind it will arise the question, what is the thematics cartography? So thematic cartography is a map which is showing a particular theme, pattern, color, shade, visual, etc. On the paper. So so in my so and it is showing information regarding the specific data, which is average population density in the certain area describing, and the thematic map is the design on the focus on intention of particular area, like rainfall, crime issues, uh, mm, the species, poverty, etc. So thematic maps are more useful than the general maps in the studying environment relationship between area. We can easily read thematics map, and the maps tells the story about the environment and the particular place, and the spread of the diseases, and locations, etc. And the second unit is a diametric data presentations. So what is the thus comes in the syllabus? So it means that the um, a type of data which look attractive to represent on the statistical data, to provide by chart, pie chart, diagrams, etc., and graph to see something in the particular map. So thematics maps which helps to see hidden and something special, or something wants to know about the area on the on the map in easily. So we can use a pie chart, diagram, graphs. So in this diametric presentation of data, there are the several uh, in the internet there are the several given a diagram, graphs, and maps. So which is I have noticed some few and the important graph, like charts, but a pie chart, line graph, etc. But in our syllabus given us polygraph, combined line graph, and band graph. So let's come on the uh, third unit, which is a presentation of data, the choropleth and isopleth dot and point data. So representation of data, what does it means? That the data that describe the properties of the phenomena they represent in the given on the data they collected from collected no 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 they collected from varieties of sources on by the geographer, economist, and resources scientist, and the decision making uses a lots of data on this way. And the for the for making a diagrams, maps, and graphs design, which is are suitable. Sorry, for making a suitable and making a diagram which is necessary to make a title, a suitable scale, direction, to making some we can use these tools to make a better thematic graph to draw on the map. The first of all, in our syllabus given the chromopleth map data, which means the chromopleth maps are also known as the chromopleth maps are drawn to depict the characteristics as they are related to administrative units, and maps are used to represent the density of population and city growth and literacy, mm, sex ratio, etc. So, and the second one is the dot map. Dot map is the map which you use to dot to show something quantity and something in a given area. And the third one is isopleth map, which means isopleth map is a map used to make something a quantity that very smoothly over the earth's surface. It is take two forms, uh, equal a line of equal values, and the second one is range of similar area filled with similar color and patterns. And now let's come on the last topic, which is primestic compass survey. So primestic compass survey, the first of all, the compass survey is related to location by point above or below to the earth surface. It is become necessary to start a point to on the line. And primestic compass surveys only determine the any identify and bearing means horizontal angle between reference meridian and the image survey measured by the clockwise and anti-clockwise direction. And as well as the range is determined by measuring tape. It is a flexible normally, and it is the hand primestic compass is the among two major type of magnetic compass used uh, to to series of the function. And so it is my side. I have I have completed my assignment to you, and this is I have searched in internet to get to know about the whole syllabus about the some specific knowledge about the thematics cartography. And the lastly, I would like to thank you, sir, for giving me a chance to make your video to help. It will help to in the future to make something better. And also, sir, you are encourage us to make your future bright, and it will help to us to it will help to us to make your life easy. And once again, and thank you so much, sir, for your help. And I'll make dua for always make your duas for you to stay happy and healthy life. Thank you so much, sir.